Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a flower cordless tutorial. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and this yarn ball. So let's get started. First of all, wrap this yarn around the crochet hook like this and then start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and work into the first chain. Go into this first chain and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now here we have a little hole. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Then make chain 1 and chain 2 more. Go into this ring and make a single crochet here. So this is our first unfinished petal. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the second petal. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into this ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains. Go into this ring and make a single crochet. This is our second petal. For the third one, make 2 chains. Go into the ring and make a double crochet. Then make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2 and make a single crochet into the ring. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 again and make a double crochet into the ring. Then make chain 1 and then chain 2 again and make a single crochet into the ring. Make 2 chains again and then make a double crochet into the ring. Make 2 chains and make a single crochet here into the ring. Now make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the ring again. Then make 2 chains and make a single crochet into the ring. So we would make total of 6 petals of flower. Now 6 petals are ready. Now we would finish our starting first petal. So make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into this third chain, which we were counted as a double crochet stitch. So make a slip stitch into this third chain and then our this starting petal will be ready. So now 6 petal flower is ready. This is our first flower of cord. Now we would make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Then make chain 1 more and chain 1 and chain 2. So total we have made 7 chains here. Go into this third chain and then draw a loop and make a double crochet stitch. And now we would make our second flower into this ring. Right here in this ring. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a stitch. Then 2 chains again and then we would make a single crochet stitch into this round ring. Now make 2 chains again, chain 1 and then chain 2, and after these two chains make a double crochet stitch into this ring. Then make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and make a single crochet into the ring. Then make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, and make a double crochet stitch into the ring. Make chain 1 and chain 2 and make a single crochet into the ring. So in this way we would make 6 petals, make 2 chains, and here these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. So make a slip stitch into this starting chain, and then make 2 chains and make a single crochet into the ring. And then make 2 chains and make double crochet and make another petal like this. Make 2 chains again and make a single crochet into the ring. So this is our 5th petal of flower. Now pull this petal a little bit and make the 6th petal of flower, which is the last petal also. Now we would finish our starting petal. Make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain to finish this starting petal. Now we would make our 3rd flower in the same way. So again make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 1, chain 2 more, and then go into this 3rd chain and make a double crochet. Here we would make total of 6 chains. So now make 5 chains and then make a single crochet into this ring. Make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the ring. Make 2 chains and then make a single crochet into the ring. Make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the ring. Then make 2 chains and make a single crochet, and here we would again make 2 chains and we would not make any double crochet stitch. Here these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, so make a slip stitch into this 3rd chain and then make 2 chains again and go into the ring and make a single crochet. Then make 2 other petals into this ring also in the same way. So now make a single crochet and then complete the last stitch here. So make 2 chains again and then make a single crochet into this 3rd chain and complete this 3rd flower also. So in this way we would make more flowers by making 6 chains and then double crochet into the 3rd one again, and we would make 6 petals into that ring. So you can use this cord in different projects. I have made 3 more flowers to it. So in this way you can proceed further and make more flowers. You can make headband or any other project with this flower cord. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and like this video. Bye.